Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing homemade facial mask for instant bright and glowing skin. So guys, whenever you need that instant glow before a special occasion or before any special occasion you need to attend, this mask right here is what you should use. So if you want to see how I mix up all these ingredients and also apply to the skin, then definitely keep on watching. The first ingredient is avocado, which helps to improve the health and appearance of the skin. Avocado hydrates the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it brightens the skin, it helps to lighten dark circles and dark spots, it firms the skin, it softens the skin, it helps to reduce signs of aging. The next ingredient is oat powder, which helps to exfoliate the skin. It moisturizes the skin, it hydrates the skin, it removes suntan and heals sunburn, it cleanses the skin, it treats acne and also brightens the skin. The next ingredient is honey. Honey can make your skin fresh, soft, smooth and hydrated. Honey cleanses the skin, it exfoliates the skin, it treats acne, it moisturizes the skin and also brightens the skin. The next and last ingredient is lemon, which helps brighten the skin. Lemon helps to heal acne and remove blackheads. It helps to get rid of oily skin, it lightens dark spots and blemishes. It also helps to cleanse the face and body. So for this face mask, you don't need a full avocado, instead just half. So now I'm going to be using a spoon to scoop out the avocado into a bowl. So after scooping out the avocado into a bowl, you can just go ahead and quickly mash it up. Next, you go ahead and add your oat powder, add your honey and squeeze in few drops of lemon juice. Now you mix all the ingredients together in form of paste. So this should be the consistency of the mixture. Before applying, make sure you steam your face or use a hot towel to cleanse the face to ensure that your pores are open so that the mask can be able to do what it's supposed to do. So now I'm just going to apply the mixture all over my face down to my neck. So this mask here is an all-natural vegan mask meant for those times when you need to wake your skin up instantly before a special occasion. This mask here is going to keep your skin looking so beautiful and fabulous. So after applying to your face and neck, you leave on for 30 minutes. Now you can just see that it's becoming to get sticky. You can now gently massage into the skin for like 1 to 2 minutes, and after that you wash with lukewarm water. So guys, this is my face after washing off. Much difference, I must tell you. It's glowing, it looks beautiful, I can feel it's tight and firm. So now after washing off, please apply your moisturizer. Always apply moisturizer after every facial and do not exclude your neck. Take the moisturizer down to your neck area, guys. So you can use this mask 3 to 4 times a week or whenever you need that instant glow. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to show your girls some love and make sure you try out this mask. I love you all. Please do stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.